video analytics,
server replication system,
productivity tools,
interactive content,
real-time social gaming,
seed stage fundings,
video delivery,
mobile apps,
Ontario government, media automates the creation of 3D models,
social innovation,
wireless,
advanced robotics,
data integrity is
mobile advertising,
advisory service,
thought-controlled computing,
social software,
venture capital,
entrepreneurial,
collaborative news site,
investors,
marketing,
City of Toronto.
I'm an academic.
And advertising.
Law firm.
Creative.
Education.
Innovation.
Capital.
Network.
Digital media. The Toronto ICT ecosystem is quite a rich and diverse pool of resources.
We have the science people, we have the technical people, we have the creative people, we have the business people, and we have the financial people. And it's rare to have such core strength in so many of the areas. So really the opportunities that exist for us in Toronto are based on the mixture of all of those people together in a very collaborative atmosphere.
To be able to see how much depth there is, whether you're doing and developing the Canada arm at MD Robotics, whether you're in IBM at their deep software, whether you're out at the western side of Toronto with a little company that is doing production software called Cast Software for the entertainment industry, and whether you're doing 3D development all the way up to our communications. There's a reason why 3 of the 5 new wireless carriers are being located in Toronto.
And in Canada, you know, one of the greatest things is if you want to do media, entertainment, healthcare, government, tech, it's all in the same spot. It's all Toronto.
It's not one sector, it's a multitude of intertwined companies that are creating some of the top content and top technologies for the world.
The next decade or two are going to be characterized by pretty major international, globally cooperative endeavors. And we in Canada and right here in Toronto are playing a pretty leading role in that.
There's a tremendous number of resources that are available to organizations. Partnering with organizations similar to the Mars organization based out of Toronto that allows entrepreneurs, that allows young startup companies to be paired with advisors in the industry that are there just to help.
The community of startups and tech-based companies that are doing different things in different spaces, but all still manage to come together and share and connect.
I think Toronto, because of the fact that it's been a high-tech city for a long time, and not just downtown Toronto, but the outer regions as well, like Markham and places like that, there's sort of a pervasive ease of access to not just talent, but also hardware and infrastructure. I think it's very important.
We're surrounded by some of the best universities in the world, and we rely heavily on our academic partnerships.
Canada's greatest research institution, University of Toronto.
With access to all the intellectual capital that represents.
The Rising Digital Media Zone, basically it's about creating innovation. It's about really stimulating entrepreneurship.
OCAD University is the University of the Imagination. We take students from the undergraduate level, but also mature students who come to us because they want to learn more in a studio-based environment about how they can make a contribution to art, design and media in Canada.
The CFC Media Lab is really research, training and production think tank environment that's looking to develop 3 things. Digital media talent, digital media innovative productions, and digital media companies.
There are, meetups and conferences pretty much every night of the week. There's so many successful people right here in Toronto that are just a phone call or email away from getting some FaceTime and some guidance from.
We have a government which seems to be really keen on research and innovation, so which is supporting it in vast ways.
The people in Toronto, the talent that's here, the experience and talent pool that's here is second to none.
It's really a city of neighborhoods. There's so many different backgrounds and ethnicities.
When I came to Toronto, I had one phone number, and I was able to connect with a lot of people quite quickly.
Toronto, I think, has been an excellent talent pool. Creative people bring massive value to ICT. I'll often say that creativity is the most valuable resource on earth.
So I think what's really attractive for Toronto, for international investors looking to get into the region, is there's simply a great opportunity for returns.